At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, a 45-year-old Manchester woman has been charged with child trafficking after she's alleged to have allowed multiple men to sexually assault her 13-year-old daughter in exchange for liquor. It's alleged the woman took the child to a bar in September 2020 to get alcohol beverages. She reportedly could not pay for the liquor and offer the child to the men as payment. The child managed to flee her home and a report was made to the Child Protection and Family Service Agency, which is CPFSA. Mighty God of Daniel, some mama worthless and terrible do. What kind of heart that the mother they have? What kind of heart? How can you take your pitney and give to these men? How can you take your little pitney and give it to these men? 13-year-old. As a parent, you should not think like that. It no matter the age. You should never think like that. That should never come in your thought. Might some people wicked, But something must wrong with this mama, yeah. Something have wrong with her. No, sir. So she alone love alcohol? So she alone love alcohol? This not look good. This is a disgrace.
They're Jamaicans. I don't know whether to laugh or cry. God no. JLP start remind me of crosses man. You know crosses man where you just want to see the back of. When you have a crosses man in your life and you just dying for the day for coming, you can put him Ross out. Dying for the day for coming, you can divorce him, you can put him out, you can disappear. That is what I see the JLP as now. JLP just draining on the spirit. Emotionally draining. Toxic. Now here is this man promising to put a hospital in Portmore. Another empty promise. When Cornwall Regional Hospital has been under construction for 9 years. With a cost that has double, triple, quadruple, quadruple, triple, all over the place. The budget started at 2 million and it reached 50 odd. And the hospital can't reach nowhere yet. Them building this one, them doing this, them start refurbish Spanish Town, them start university, all over the place. And now this man have the audacity to come and tell people, so them find land for build hospital at Portmore. Simply because they're trying to convince us that Portmore needs to be a parish. Because they want to gerrymander some more seats to ensure them win the election. Boy, we rebuke you now. JLP, we rebuke you now. We're tired of you now. Want to come in like a pestilence on the land. Want to come in like plague. Pestilence. You know the locust infestation from the biblical days. We need to part the Red Sea and get rid of you. Lead the people them out of the promised land to get rid of the JLP. Because JLP just toxic. JLP just toxic. We're tired of you. We need salvation from you. Every day is another exasperating promise for you to continue carrying Jamaica down to nothing. When you say you a demon on the land, my God, man, take on a foot off of Jamaican people neck now, man. Take on a foot off our neck. We need to breed. We need to prosper. We need real prosperity. Imagine, look at this downright low down dirty trick where you're trying to hand the Portmore people. Talking about putting hospital on the prime farmland. The prime agricultural lands. We're supposed to use as part of the bread basket so that we can sustain ourselves. where food is concerned, since 40% of Jamaican people are experiencing food insecurity under this JLP administration. Jesus, man. Wanna take on the foot off our neck now. We're tired of no. Tired.
Anyway, my wisdom warriors, we are going straight in a Portmore right now because Prime Minister Andrew Holness has sought to dismiss claims that the government has persistently failed to hold consultations with residents of Portmore on major projects undertaken in the municipality. Dr. Holness was speaking during a tour of the Portmore Resilience Park project in St. Catherine on Friday. Prime Minister Holness is seeking to assure residents of Portmore that parish status will bring several benefits. My wisdom warriors, remember Andrew Holness, ministers, them candidate or whoever did came out. I can't remember any name. Him never said they have consultation with the residents. He never said that. He said they have consultation with candidate and with MP. Andrew Holness, you're out here and you tell lie. You tell lie, brother. When did you guys hold consultation with the residents? When? Uno too lie, man. Uno too lie. And the way how the labor right, them love the light, you know. Them a back him, you know. All when they never did no consultation meeting. All when them never did the meeting, my wisdom warriors. Can you imagine how a prime minister feel lie like this and get away with it? This man not have nothing about him. The man lie, the man lie, the man lie. The man said they have meeting with the residents. And that is a blatant lie. Andrew, you have to stop it, you know? You have to stop it. But you're evil. You're a heartless man. You're a selfish man. You don't care. You're out here talking about you're not listening to the one bag of noise. So the people them a cry out. Is noise the people them a make. That you say. So you don't give a shit. I wonder if Jamaican people, labor right, well-thinking Jamaicans and PNP are really see what you are doing. I wonder if them are really look and see what you are doing. I wonder if the Jamaican people are you sleep and a mark dead. You see how Andrew Holness a behave? You see how Andrew Holness is behaving? Andrew Holness saying no business with the bag of noise. Jamaican people, let me tell you something. I may talk to Uno labor right too. Uno go get frig. Uno I go get frig. Everybody else I go get frig. Because we are allow Andrew Holness to get away with too much. We are allow him to get away with too much and nobody not do nothing. Everybody just sit down. Everybody just play silent night. Can you imagine the people them go out and a protest and Andrew saying I care about the noise? And I tell lie how meeting held with residents? Brother, John, no, me never see a prime minister come out and lie like that. Like, I've never seen it before at first. And he's a disgrace to the society. You bring we down, brother. You bring we down too much. Mighty God, hey, you're really desperate, you know. You're really desperate. And you know say you lose. You know say PNP have on the head. You know that. So this is why you come up with this Portmore thing. But let me tell you no Portmore. You see Cornwall Regional Hospital? Cornwall Regional Hospital are built for about 7-8 years now. About 7-8 years now since Cornwall Regional Hospital are built. And all now we can't done. So you stay there. You stay there. My wisdom warriors, that's all me have to say. Labor rights, you really don't know what you do. You really don't know what you do. And you see all this constitution too, all that I go through. Let me tell you no PNP for now. Everything what Andrew Holness do, it a go through. You know why? Because nobody now come out in their numbers and protest. Nobody. Yes, some little people come out, yes, 20 people, 30 people. And that's how it go. You have to have hundreds of people on march. You know have to come out. Because if you don't come out, me I tell you no say Andrew Holness just break the constitution, he might go break that one here and Jamaica go be republic. Whether we like it, yes or no. Me I tell you no. Me I tell you no. But anyway, hear this.
Everyone needs to hear this.
The budget is based on an assumption of a certain oil price, average oil price for the year. And that assumed oil price is $67.50 US a barrel. To the extent that the oil price is higher than that, the government is collecting ad valorem tax on fuel on the incremental amount by which the price is higher than the $67.50 US. I said, listen, give the transportation sector a break. Give electricity consumers a break. Give the water consumers a break, because a lot of the water bill is to do with paying for electricity to run the pumps, to pump the water across the country. Cap the tax at the $67.50 that you have budgeted. And to the extent that the price of oil is higher than that, you don't put any additional tax on that higher portion. You'd have given the consumers a break and given the people a break. And it wouldn't have any fiscal impact because they weren't budgeting for that higher amount anyway. Him ignore that. Him talk about, well, we don't know if they're going to be consuming as much gas this year as before. But we know that what they call the elasticity of demand for fuel is not very significant because people need to move around. I believe that that was a very poor decision on his part to ignore that call. I know that the private sector was interested in what we had proposed, and we're looking at it. And I hope that they will revisit it. Because when we make a call, it is not for ourselves. It is for the people. And it's to protect the people.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear that? Me telling us that Andrew Wallace not care about the people, you know. Andrew Wallace really and truly do not care. I don't know what the labor right there is saying in Andrew Wallace. Seriously, I just don't know what. But anyway, I want to take in Sizzla, because Sizzla a burn some fire for Andrew Wallace. Hear this.
Before them give me the land, my body, you know, me a citizen, them move me. I either put themselves there, put them friends there. Nothing goes up. Yeah? Your bank comes to everything, yeah, everything for everyone. It's not move up. Share the money. You're not telling them keep all the treasury of the nation. Don't go in that treasury, nobody. You can't pay the tax. So much tax money I pay on the road look bad like that. Anything if you cut out. I'm telling you certain things to upgrade the country right now. I'm not dealing, you know. I'm not supposed to biometric, nothing on them signal, not microchip putting on the skin, you know. But you still got to advance and move with the age of technology. That's what I'm saying to you. So if you don't recognize that, you're going to be left and doomed to extinction. That's what it's all about. Alright, and hear me now. When we used to go to school, all of the editors, them people who write the books, you know what I say? Them are bash against slavery hard. And I don't want the Prime Minister to be stepping in the way of slavery again. When our historian from me, I go primary school, come up to high school and anything, them are bash Miss Louise Bennett, bash against Marcus Garvey. So Jamaica men fair move towards them own self. So if you tell me, say, I am a country, you want to come find I down here. I don't need you. I'm going to make my own culture currency and nanny currency and black people, Jamaica, Yankee currency. If we have gold here, what we need you for. So I go like, I'm not afraid of nobody, man. Nobody now come dig up around here and dig up the thing. And I now get no land for me picnic up, and plus you want to come dig up to get I try that. Do not touch it. Don't go up on the Coptic country territory. Keep out of the Maroon territory. And the whole Bitcoin now come and the government now so that the babies them forget Bitcoin. You can't live on a trust. Young parents, them get to know when them are 20 and when them are 90, them are going in the land. Them time when they are 70, back then. Cut out them slavery attitude, them colonial things there, alright? That's why they use them and singing their music now as they make money, them get rich, them build house, the car, then every day them have to fresh up and smell good and look good enough. And that's the thing then. The next thing, some little kids know so them parents name them on the will or the insurance, and you want to kill the parents, forget the money. That's the next part I think.
My wisdom warriors, on here, Sizzla Kalonji. Listen to me, you know, my people. The artists, them not happy with what Andrew Wallace are doing, you know. No, man, they're not happy at all. But Andrew Wallace feel like he might do badness, and I just badness him depan. You understand me? Government badness, Andrew Wallace say, but as I said, if we the people run out, if we the people decide, so we are going to run out and overthrow Andrew Wallace administration. Remember me telling you, Andrew not going to be no bad man, not even police them. If we the Jamaican people decide so we are going to get up and overthrow this government, not even the police can stop we. But, you tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel about this. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.